take you through the most extra high maintenance get unready with me. Hi loves! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because I'm going to take you through the most extra high maintenance get unready with me. I love watching these routine videos. I think they're super inspiring, and since it's still part of the new year, the year is still fresh, I figured it'd be nice to kind of show you some of the things I like to do to get myself feeling more like a princess, living the soft life fantasy, but also still getting unready and winding down for the night. And I'm really hyped for this video because it is in collaboration with a new girly content creator friend of mine, Heather. I'm literally like low-key fangirling right now that I get to collaborate with Heather. If you like all things girly, glam, fancy, you will literally be obsessed with Heather's content. Heatherdempsey, I literally found her maybe like a few months ago now and binged all of her YouTube videos. Her Instagram content is amazing, her TikTok content, super girly glam, very fun, very cute, and Heather is super nice. I reached out to her like really randomly on Instagram and was like, by the way, kind of stalking you, but you're amazing. And she's so kind. So thank you to Heather for agreeing to collaborate on this video. And of course you guys need to check out Heather's routine. So I will link her video for her Get Unready with me in the description box along with all of her socials, because again, if you like my content, you will love Heather's, okay? I'm not gonna make this intro any longer. Before we get into everything, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I post twice a week, and feel free to follow me on socials at glaminista08 so you can see more girly glam and slightly ratchet parts of my life on the daily. But with all that being said, let's get right into today's Get Unready with me. Alright loves, let's get into this slightly extra, not super high maintenance, but a little bit extra Get Unready with me. Usually on evenings, I've worked on my content and I love to watch The Real Housewives of Atlanta while I work on content. I've seen all seasons a million times, but it's like a comfort background show. So once I'm done filming, I like to kind of wind down. I've already had dinner, so I'm gonna treat myself to a nice little dessert in my cute little content outfit. And so for dessert, I head downstairs and Sam's mother puts her whole feet and everything she bakes. So good. So Chester usually greets me and we decide what we're gonna eat. This particular evening I had some leftover vegan chocolate chip pound cake that she made. Oh, guys, I can't say enough good things. So I had that with some plum cider. I am not a drinker, so I love to drink alternatives, and his mom actually also gifted this to us. It's delicious. It's basically plum juice, so it's my alternative to wine. So I had a nice little moment of indulging in the dessert, really savoring everything. And then usually in the mornings I take showers after I work out. So this evening I decided instead of taking another shower to take a bath. So once my dessert is done and I'm feeling really nice, princessy, relaxed, I decided to fill the bathtub with a bath bomb. I actually didn't realize that I still had one from Lush that I haven't ever tried before. So this is their, I think it's called Sex Bomb. It's their flower one. So it has like a little rose in the center, and then it gives a pink hue to your bath, which I loved. And I also do like to add bubbles whenever I use bath bombs because I'm a bubble girly. So I love the Dream Bright bubble scent from Bath & Body Works, and I ran out that night, so I'm actually glad I had a little bit more to use. So I filled up the pink bathtub. I decided to watch Breakfast at Tiffany's, one of my favorite films. I put up my wig hair so I could still feel a little glamorous. And before I got into the bath, I decided to dry brush. This has been my new thing going into 2024 because it really helps exfoliate, but also with blood circulation. So then I decided to just soak in the bathtub and enjoy one of my favorite classic Audrey Hepburn films. Let me know in the comments if you love Breakfast at Tiffany's too, or if there's another film by Audrey that you absolutely love and adore. After my bath, I like to hydrate with my favorite scented products, including this massage bar from Lush. Absolutely love this for the nighttime in particular because it leaves a nice oil, so I like to use this after my lotions to kind of soak everything in, keep my skin really nice and hydrated. And I also like to use it before lymphatic drainage, which is basically gua shaing your body. So this tool I ordered from Amazon. It's linked in my Amazon storefront in case you're curious about it, but I like to do this on evenings. It's really nice and luxurious. After that, I decide from my nightgowns and night collection what I want to wear. This particular night, I decided to wear this little set I believe this is also from Amazon, so it should be linked in my Amazon storefront, but it's just a cute satin pink fur-lined fun little set. And then it's time to focus in on skincare preparation for the evening. So I like to push my hair back, and for my skincare, it's pretty basic. I do start with dental because I don't like to think of putting any of my skincare products on my fingers and my mouth for allergies. So I do my dental routine first, and then I start by taking off my makeup with a makeup remover wipe. This is step one to removing your makeup. I will always emphasize you should never just use a makeup remover wipe. And I had some glamorous makeup on for content, so peeled off those lashes, got the glitter off my eyes, and then I went in with one of my favorite cleansers by the Youth to the People company. It's so good, and I actually have been using this new PMD cleansing device. It's cool because it has different modes, it vibrates, and I know it looks like it's not lathering because it doesn't, so it actually kind of like massages your cleanser in, but then when you remove and rinse off the cleanser, it takes literally everything off, so I've been loving it. The back end of this also has like a jade side to it that you can massage your products in, but I usually don't use that. So I just use the cleansing brush, and I love using this on days where I wear makeup to make sure everything is removed. And then once my face is nice and clean, I look to see what kind of a mask I want to wear. I really did want to do a sheet mask for this video just because it was extra, but I didn't need it. So I decided to go in with my Kiehl's Overnight Hydration Mask. You can see the difference between how hydrating it makes your face. It's like slugging, but it's my favorite mask. I've used this for years, so I definitely recommend investing in this. And then I like to spray my Ari fragrance for the night, and I almost forgot lips. I love the lip treatment by Too Faced, so I like to soak my lips in that for the nighttime. After that, it's basically time for me to get ready for bed. This particular night was super late, so I decided to spray my pillow with my favorite lavender spray to get me in the mood to sleep. I like to read now, a tried and true grown woman, so I read before bed, I set my planner for the next day, make sure my jewelry is in place, and that pretty much completes my Get Unready With Me routine. I'm pretending to fall asleep here, so just bear with me, y'all, okay? When we film this, we gotta give you the full illusion, okay? Alright, loves, she's back. That completes my very high maintenance Get Unready With Me. Again, be sure to check out Heather's video as well as her socials, all of her channels. She is absolutely amazing. And thank you again, Heather, for being so kind, so sweet, and so welcoming. I'm so excited to go watch your video after posting this. If you guys want to see any more routine videos like this or any other specific YouTube videos on this channel, be sure to let me know in the comments. And also let me know if there's a step I skipped, if I'm not extra enough, okay? If there's something else I should be incorporating in a wind down routine, let me know in the comments. All that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, love.